Y'all was worried about the explosives in the back of my car. Well, they not in the back of my car no more. Check them out. This is what we rocking with. This is what we rocking with on the New Year's party. Look at it. Look at it. Hang on. These two right here, bound to set off every car alarm in the neighborhood. And these, I'm going to set all them off at the same time, and the police going to pull up. And that is going to be when the party over. All right? Once the police drive away, I got these little joints right here. Just to aggravate them, right? That's when we're going to get our ticket. All right? After we get our ticket, then the party is really over. If y'all try to come to the New Year's party, holla at your boy.